Mixed opinions prevail in recent poll on Trump's Capitol riot case. A fresh survey conducted by Emerson College has revealed varying sentiments among the American public regarding former President Donald Trump's alleged involvement in events surrounding the 2020 election. The poll, conducted among Washington, D.C. of Columbia residents between August 29 and September 2, has unveiled some interesting perspectives. According to the survey, if a trial were to be held today, 64% of respondents would find Trump guilty of purportedly attempting to challenge the election results. Meanwhile, 28% believe he is not guilty, and 8% remain undecided. The federal investigation, spearheaded by special counsel Jack Smith, has resulted in Trump facing a total of 4 indictments. These indictments allege that Trump and his allies tried to capitalize on the Capitol unrest by urging lawmakers to delay the certification of the 2020 election results. The charges include conspiracy to defraud the United States, conspiracy to obstruct an official proceeding, obstruction of an official proceeding, and conspiracy against rights. Judge Tanya Chitkan, overseeing the case, has scheduled a trial date for March 4, 2024, just one day before the Super Tuesday primaries in 16 states and territories. Trump's legal team had advocated for an April 2026 trial date, well after the 2024 election in which Trump remains a top contender in Republican polls. Trump has consistently maintained his innocence in all 4 indictments. Trump campaign spokesperson Stephen Cheung emphasized that public sentiment in the nation's capital might not accurately reflect the broader American perspective. Cheung suggested that the alleged politicization of the justice system by President Biden and Democrats may be driving this discrepancy. He highlighted that Trump continues to lead in polls, outperforming even President Biden. The Emerson poll also revealed gender disparities in opinion, with women more inclined to believe Trump is guilty in the 2020 election case compared to men, by a margin of 75–54%, respectively. When it comes to independent voters, approximately 53% believe Trump is guilty, while Republicans are divided. 36% believe he's guilty, 35% think he's innocent, and 30% remain undecided. Nevertheless, 61% of Republicans and 60% of Democrats anticipate a guilty verdict, along with 48% of independents. Intriguingly, 55% of respondents expressed their willingness to serve on the jury, while 45% were not interested. Among those willing to serve who believe Trump is guilty, the ratio stands at 68% to 9% in favor of a guilty verdict, with 23% uncertain. Among those uninterested in serving, 60% believe Trump is guilty, 6% consider him innocent, and 34% are unsure. Spencer Kimball, the executive director of Emerson College polling, highlighted that this poll reflects the varying levels of interest in the trial among different voter demographics, with registered Democrats and Republicans showing more interest than independent voters. These results follow a previous Emerson poll, which indicated a slight decline in Trump's support since the pollster began tracking the 2024 Republican primary race. Despite recent developments, including Trump's absence from the GOP's initial presidential debate and an indictment in Georgia, his popularity among Republican voters remains intact. Sources: Emerson Poll, MSN. This article is brought to you by Go Right News and edited by Peter Boykin. Visit GoRightNews.com for more articles and visit PeterBoykin.com to learn more about Peter Boykin.